Hello, welcome to your channel. I am Derek. Get views fast. Whether you're just starting your YouTube journey or are a seasoned creator, you've probably heard this before. Keywords are king. But how do you find the right ones? How do you know which words will unlock a flood of views for your videos? In today's fast-paced digital world, where millions of videos compete for attention, the secret sauce to success isn't just creativity, and that's where this tutorial comes in. In this video, we're diving deep into a tool that can supercharge your YouTube game, TubeMagic. Imagine having a crystal ball that reveals exactly what your audience is searching for. This isn't just about getting views, it's about getting the right views from the right people at the right time. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and skills to take your channel to new heights. Ready to unlock the magic? Let's get started. Why keyword research is essential. Keyword research is essential for any successful YouTube strategy because it helps you understand what your target audience is searching for. By identifying the right keywords, you can create content that resonates with viewers, increases visibility, and ultimately drives more traffic to your videos. This research allows you to tap into trending topics, optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags, and stay ahead of the competition. Knowing which keywords are popular, you can tailor your content to meet your audience's specific needs and interests. This leads to higher engagement rates, better rankings in search results, and increased watch time. Additionally, keyword research helps you avoid creating content that might not attract viewers, saving you time and effort. For content creators, keyword research is a roadmap that guides the content creation process. It ensures that your videos are relevant and discoverable, allowing you to reach a broader audience. Without it, you're essentially creating content in the dark, hoping for success. In short, effective keyword research is the foundation of a thriving YouTube channel, enabling you to maximize your reach and grow your audience. Step 1. Competitor analysis. The first and most crucial step in using TubeMagic for keyword research is conducting a thorough competitor analysis. Understanding your competition is vital for identifying the topics and keywords that resonate with your target audience. By analyzing what works well for established channels in your niche, you can leverage that data to create content that stands out. Start by identifying your top competitors. These should be YouTube channels that are successful in your niche and attract a large number of views and subscribers. If you don't have specific competitors in mind, open an incognito browser window and search for keywords related to your niche. For example, if your channel focuses on travel, search for terms like top travel destinations or best travel blogs. This step helps ensure that your results are unbiased and based solely on current trends, not your browsing history. Once you've found popular channels, note their channel names and handles. Focus on channels that produce content similar to what you aim to create, whether it's faceless videos or content with on-screen personalities. This list of competitors will serve as the foundation for your keyword research. After gathering this information, you'll input it into TubeMagic. This tool will analyze your competitors' channels and generate a list of video ideas based on their content. This feature is invaluable because it allows you to see which topics are gaining traction and provides a blueprint for your videos. By using TubeMagic's competitor analysis feature, you can ensure that you're not only creating content that appeals to your audience, but also optimizing your chances of ranking higher in search results. Step 2. Using TubeMagic for keyword research. Keyword research is crucial for any YouTube video, and TubeMagic makes this process incredibly simple and effective. By identifying high-performing keywords, you can create content that attracts more views and ranks higher in search results. Here's how you can use TubeMagic to optimize your keyword research. First, open TubeMagic and navigate to the keyword research section. This tool allows you to input a seed keyword or a competitor's YouTube channel handle. By analyzing their content, TubeMagic generates a list of relevant and trending keywords that can boost your video's visibility. Start by entering a keyword related to your niche or the handle of a competitor's channel. TubeMagic will provide you with a list of popular keywords that their videos are ranking for. This includes the exact keywords, search volume, and competition level. Pay attention to keywords with high search volume but moderate competition, as they offer the best chance to rank well and attract views. TubeMagic also offers keyword suggestions based on your video title, description, and tags. You can fine-tune these keywords to align with your content, ensuring your video is optimized for search engines. Additionally, the tool tracks keyword performance over time, allowing you to adjust your strategy as trends change. Once you've selected your keywords, save them in the tool for easy access later. You can use these keywords throughout your video creation process, from title generation to tag optimization, to ensure your content is fully optimized for YouTube's search algorithm. With TubeMagic's keyword research capabilities, you can stay ahead of the competition and get your videos seen by a larger audience, helping you grow your channel faster. Step 3. Optimizing video details. Once you've created and uploaded your video, optimizing its details is crucial for maximizing visibility and engagement. This process involves crafting the perfect title, description, and tags to ensure your video is discoverable on YouTube. Here's how you can optimize your video details using TubeMagic. 1. Generate a title. Start by using TubeMagic's optimization tool. Simply paste your video URL into the tool, and it will suggest a title based on relevant keywords and competitor analysis. Aim for a catchy, descriptive title that includes important keywords. For example, if your video is about Icelandic waterfalls, a title like Top 12 Enchanting Waterfalls in Iceland You Must Visit can work well. 2. Write a description. Next, create a compelling video description. TubeMagic will also help you generate a description that includes keywords while providing valuable information to your audience. The first few lines of your description should capture attention, summarize what your video is about, and include a call to action, such as asking viewers to subscribe or visit your website. Add relevant links, hashtags, and a brief overview of the video content, making sure to repeat your primary keywords naturally throughout the text. 3. Optimize tags. Tags are another important element for boosting your video's visibility. TubeMagic can generate a list of tags based on your video's content. Ensure you include a mix of broad and specific tags that describe your video accurately. For instance, tags like Iceland travel, waterfalls in Iceland, and travel tips will help your video reach a broader audience. By optimizing your video details, you significantly increase the chances of your content being discovered, leading to more views, engagement, and subscribers. Step 4. Finalizing and publishing your video. Once you have completed the editing process and your video is polished, it's time to finalize and publish it. This step is crucial for ensuring that your content reaches its maximum potential audience on YouTube. Upload your video. Begin by uploading your video to YouTube. If you haven't already done so, head to your YouTube dashboard, click on the Create button, and select Upload Videos. Drag and drop your video file into the upload window. Optimize video details. While uploading your video, fill out all necessary details. Start with a compelling title that includes your targeted keywords. Make sure your description is thorough and optimized for search, incorporating relevant keywords naturally. Include timestamps, links, and a call to action, CTA, in the description to engage viewers and direct them to other related content or your social media pages. Tags and categories. Add relevant tags to improve your video's discoverability. Select a category that best fits your content to help YouTube categorize your video correctly. Thumbnail design. Create an eye-catching thumbnail that accurately represents your video. Use high-contrast colors, bold text, and appealing images to grab viewers' attention. Tools like Canva make it easy to design professional-looking thumbnails. In-screens and cards. Add in-screens and cards to your video to promote other content on your channel. This helps keep viewers engaged with your channel and increases your overall watch time. Set video to public. Once everything is ready, set your video to public and click Publish. Congratulations! Your video is now live and ready to attract viewers. Remember to share your video on social media and engage with your audience in the comments to maximize its impact. In this tutorial, we've explored how TubeMagic can be a game changer for content creators aiming to get more views on YouTube. By leveraging the power of this tool, you can generate unlimited video ideas, scripts, and optimize metadata, saving you countless hours in the process. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your content strategy, TubeMagic takes the guesswork out of keyword research and video creation, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, engaging your audience. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is consistency and quality. TubeMagic provides you with the tools to maintain both. By continuously refining your video ideas, optimizing your content, and staying ahead of the competition, you can grow your channel faster and reach a wider audience. Don't hesitate to invest in tools like TubeMagic to maximize your channel's potential. Keep experimenting, stay creative, and, most importantly, enjoy the process of making great content. Thank you for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tools to enhance your YouTube journey.